Europe. Europe is just incredible continent. So many variety places, so many countries to see it, so little time. This is so bad. But anyway, and today in this video I would like to show you a little bit of Bosnia and Herzegovina. My name is Isabel, welcome to my channel. If you are new here and you want to see more content, subscribe this button and also don't forget about this bell so you will always know about my new videos that I upload every Wednesday and Friday. So let's get started.
Oh, sweetie. Don't stop with this. He sleeps. Oh,
Maybe he's blind.
maybe, but he's sweet. Sweet Asha? Yeah, I do that. Yes, more. More. Oh, he mruczy. He mrumrudu. He look at you. You don't offer him nothing, so he went.
So bad.
You're a bad person. Hiroshi.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
We are in Serbia. Last moments, because in 50 minutes we are going to Bosnia and Herzegovina. Yes? And in Bosnia and Herzegovina, the plan is to go to Mostar, to Kravica waterfalls, and something, I don't remember the name, that is close to also Mostar. Anyway, today we were in Serbia. We went on a trip on the boat to Visegrad, and Visegrad is Bosnia and Herzegovina, so actually today we are going 2 times to Bosnia and Herzegovina. One time by boat and this time by car. It was very nice, weather was good, not hot, not cold.
All the time.
No, it's not true, don't listen to him. He lies all the time, he lies to me every day. But he tries very
Tell
good.
them about last night.
What was like?
What, you cried?
Why I
You
cried?
were crying.
I cried because I was so tired. I was tired and I wanted just to sleep. You understand? When you are so tired and you just want to sleep and you don't care about nothing at all. And I really wanted this. And nothing. I couldn't because it started to rain. We have a lot of things, so we have to take things from back to front. So we have place in the back to sleep, and you need to be outside to take these things and put in the front. So it's so annoying sometimes. Well, it's annoying when it's just rain, but otherwise it's good. Oh my god, so beautiful, sweet Tasha. Oh my god, this is beautiful creature. Oh my god.
Okay, this is my story, my experience, my trip to Bosnia and Herzegovina. I hope you like it. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if something was for you interesting to see, you want to go to Mostar or Kravice or maybe other places, let me know in the comments below. And thank you very much for watching and see you next time.